Hi kids. Kids, in this video we will trace A, B, C, D, E. A to Z. A, B, C, D, E. Red color. A. Green color. B. This is letter C. This is letter D. Kids, this is letter E. F. Yellow color. Kids, we are tracing letter G. Violet color. H. Kids, this is letter I. Now we are tracing letter J. This is letter J. Kids, we are tracing letter K. Now we are tracing letter L. Orange color. Kids, we are tracing letter M. Pink color. This is letter N. Kids, we are tracing letter O. This is letter P. Now kids, we are tracing letter Q. This is letter R. Brown color. S. Purple color. This is letter T. U. This is letter V. Now we are tracing letter W. This is letter X. Now we are tracing letter Y. This is letter Z. Kids, read again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Kids, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.